नहीं आता।
Okay, okay,
हाँ।
okay,
और
fine. Yeah.
कॉमन है ना, कॉमन 11 है ना सर, कॉमन अकाउंट।
Ah, yeah, okay. Accounts, right. Okay.
हाँ वो तो नहीं आता मेरे को, थोड़ा
हम्म,
एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे, समझ नहीं आता।
ठीक है. Okay. Yeah.
कॉमन 10 में और 11 में कंप्यूटर में थोड़ा नॉर्मल समझो सर।
Fine. Okay.
यस सर।
Right. Okay. Fine. Yeah.
ओके।
Do you have? I mean, anyone can tell what is a computer?
कंप्यूटर में थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा ही नहीं थोड़ा आता, लेकिन थोड़ा नहीं आता।
ठीक है. ठीक है. Okay. Fine. Actually,
हाँ,
definition of a computer. Do you have an idea about the definition
लेकिन
of computer?
कंप्यूटर के एग्जाम चाहता लिखने के लिए, लेकिन थोड़ा वो समझ में नहीं आता, थोड़ा समझ मालूम होना ना मेरे को, थोड़ा क्या क्या है क्या नहीं एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए।
Right. Right. Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah.
हाँ सर, इसलिए।
Yeah, Shahjahan, can you turn off your camera? You are walking on road. I think. Right. Okay. Fine. Yeah, a computer is a machine. Yeah, who gave this one? Deepa Murali have given this one. Computer is a machine. Right. Yeah. Okay. So, right, a computer is a electronic device or a machine. Okay, which will use to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Okay, which will accept the data. Okay, and it will provide you a result as an arithmetic and operations, arithmetic or logical operations, right? So which will use to provide an arithmetical and logical operations on the particular data. Like if you want to give any addition operation or subtraction operation or any other operations, it will give the arithmetic operation. Or if you are using to get a result in any logical, like what is a, I mean, if you want to know about the computer, or also if you want to know about anything, like I want to know about the bottle. If I get water bottle, it will give the definition of that particular water bottle, like water bottle used for carrying a water and storing a water, etc., etc. Like, okay, these are the logical operations, right? A device which will provide you arithmetic and logical operations is known as a computer. Okay, which will control the data and stores the data and produce a required output based on the requirement, right? Yeah. So today we are going to discuss about operating system, right? We have a subject called operating system. Let me share my screen. One second. Yeah. Okay. Are you able to see my screen? One second. Can you unmute yourself? Yeah. Can you able to see my screen? You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and speak. Nothing will happen. Yeah. Yes, sir. Right. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Right. So this is a computer desktop. Those who people don't know, let me see this one. These are called as icons. Okay. and this is a start button. We are using the I mean, in this computer I have Windows 7 here. So this is a Windows 7. To know about the what type of Windows we have, let me right click on this desktop and see the personalize. Sorry, properties. Let me see the properties. Where is the properties? Sorry, not here. In my computers, let me click on the my computers and see the properties, right? So where you will see properties in the general, we are going to see what type of computer we are using here. Okay. Yeah, here it is showing you. Right, when you right click on properties, in the properties, it will show you what type of system we are using. I mean, what type of OS we are using here and what type of system it is. It is an HCL system, and we are using 2 GB of RAM installed in 2 GB of RAM, and it is 64-bit processor. And we are using Windows 7 Ultimate. Okay, Windows 7 Ultimate here we are using here. Okay, right. To know the operating system, what type of operating system in our system, in our computer, we have to right click on our computers, my computers, or in my computers. When we open my computers, we go into see here my computers, right click on this and see the properties. When you click on properties, it will open you a window. Here it will show you the edition of Windows, what type of Windows we are using here, and what version, Windows 7 or 8 or 11, 10, whatever it might be. Okay, and what type of computer it is, HCL or Dell or HP, whatever it might be, right? And what processor we are using, Intel Core processor we are using here, and how much RAM present in our system. It will show you here, and the size, I mean bit size. Here it will show you the 60-bit, 64-bit. I mean, these bits are you don't need to know about these bits. Okay, yeah, etc. etc. The name of the computer, BCL lab. Here I have given a BCL lab, right? So this is the name of the computer is BCL lab. Example like this, which is going to show you. Okay, fine. Yeah, I just share you the our content. I mean, what type of content we have. Right. This is our syllabus. In operating system, we are going to learn about the basic features of operating Linux. Okay. And in block 2, advanced features of Linux. And in block 3, administration and virtualization. So these three concepts we are going to learn. In basic features of Linux, we are going to learn how to download and install. I mean, I won't show you exact how to download, and how to use a Linux. I'm going to show you. And I'm using a Windows operating system, right? And in Windows operating system, how we can use virtually. I also show you that one, Linux operating system, and basic commands of Linux operating system. Okay, working with editors, what type of editors we have in the Linux, and users and group managements, how to give a usernames and how to create a groups. These all things are going to see in this block. Whereas coming to block 2, these are the advanced features of Linux. Here we are going to here they have mentioned package managements and Linux networking, how Linux networking is going to work on, and file system management and shell scripting. Okay, these four things are going to be covered in block 2. Whereas coming to block 3, administration and virtualization. So here we are going to learn how about this shell scripting and in advanced features of shell scripting and job scheduling and performance management and virtual technology. So these things are going to be covered in these topics. Can we get into the first topic, block 1? You can unmute yourself. If you want anyone want to speak, you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay, can you hear my voice? Yeah, okay, fine. Let me start our block 1. So totally we have 6 classes, right? So today and tomorrow we have, and next Saturday, Sunday. After that, again next Saturday, Sunday, we are going to finish these all topics. So let me finish now. Let me start our Unix operating system. So before getting into this, I just share you my PPT. Okay, this is a Unix operating system PPT. Right, introduction. So Unix, actually we have different types of OS operating systems. Actually, what is an operating system? First of all, so an operating system will act as an interconnection or interface between a user and a hardware machine. Okay, like example, just forget about the computers. మనం ఇప్పుడు మొబైల్స్ గురించి చూద్దాం. లెట్ వి హ్యావ్ ఎ మొబైల్. సో ఇన్ అవర్ మొబైల్, మన మొబైల్లో కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్, రైట్? డూ యూ అగ్రీ దట్ వన్? We have an operating system in our mobile also, right? So what type of operating system we are using in mobile? How many types of operating systems we are using in mobile? Yeah, someone, Renuka has given this one. Topics are different in our textbook, okay? But for me, the sir has given me this one only, these topics only. Will you share that one if you have? Yes, Renika, will you share it? Okay, on the screen. Actually, you can share your screen directly if you have the topic. Do you have? So you showing up. One second, one second. I'll just stop the screen. I can't see Renuka. Will you speed out when you? I mean, sorry. We can't see that one. Will you read it out? Can you read it out? ఒకసారి చదవండి అవి టాపిక్స్. అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి చదవండి. Okay. Okay. Yeah, one second. I just got that someone has shared me. I just open that one. I will share you that once. Here it is different totally, right? You just be in hold. I just ask him that about actually what should I to I mean నేను ఏది చెప్పాలి మీకు అన్నది ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ టు బట్టి సార్. మీరు హోల్డ్లో ఉండండి, నేను లైన్లో ఉండండి, నేను జస్ట్ కాల్ చేసి మాట్లాడి మీకు చెప్తాను. టిల్ దెన్ యూ జస్ట్ సీ ద సిలబస్. Yeah, hello. Can you hear my voice? Right. Okay. Yeah, just now I asked Batu sir that he has given me. I mean, he's going to share me the new syllabus. Okay, whatever. I mean, whatever I'm showing you, that one is a lab manual system. It seems actually he given me that one yesterday. So okay, let me discuss about our syllabus and let me discuss few topics on our syllabus and later we continue our syllabus continuously. I mean, without any disturbance. Let me share you my screen once about the syllabus. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Yeah, okay, fine. Can you hear my voice clear, right, everyone? If you have any problem, you can just ping me. Right, okay, fine. Okay, so what is an operating system? First of all, let me discuss about what is an operating system. Then we get into fundamentals, process and management thread, everything we are going to let me take it to that one. Yeah, first, what is an operating system? So an operating system is an, I just open here, right? So an operating system is an interface between a user and a computer, right? A user manual and a computer hardware is going to be act as a bridge between the user and a computer. Okay, it will it will create a bridge. So to communicate, like example, if you are using a mobile, so in our mobile we are having an operating system called Android, right? Some mobiles like Apple mobiles, we are using an operating system called Mac or Apple. Okay, Mac OS or Macintosh or Apple. So different types of operating systems we have. So what it's going to do, suppose if you don't have any operating system in our mobile, so what it will happen? If you don't have any operating system in our mobile, suppose example, I don't have any operating system in my mobile. So what is the use of my mobile actually? Then it will be a empty box. It will look like an empty box. We can't do anything that one. Okay, with that. If we have an operating system, then only we can open our mobile and we can go for calling or we can use any sort of applications in our mobile. We can use that one, right? From mobile through operating system only, right? Yeah, it is a one of the dummy piece, right? So without operating system, we can't do anything on that mobile, right? So in the same way, our computer also having an operating system. So it will have different types of operating systems we have. What are the types of operating systems we have in real time world? Like Windows operating system, Apple, I mean Macintosh, okay, Mac OS, etc., etc. Okay, Macintosh, Red, IBM, etc., etc. We have operating systems, right? So which all operating systems, actually an operating system is a collection of softwares. Okay, is a collection of softwares, so which will perform all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, and handling outputs and inputs. Okay, and collecting peripheral devices such as input devices, output devices, whatever input devices and output devices we have, these all are going to be handled by the operating system, right? Yeah. Okay, generally a computer system consists of following components. What are they? Computer users. Okay, users means who are using. Like I am using a computer, right? I am the user. Okay, and application softwares. It will have the application softwares. All softwares which users use directly to perform different activities. Okay, like I want to send any email, or I want to create any letter, or I want to create any data like student data or customers details or these type of things. And we also providing an editors, right? So here different types of applications we have. So based on that applications, we are going to use this software. I mean, in the operating system, will provide you different type of applications. Like example, suppose we have a mobile. Okay. So if you want to open any type of sort of applications, or if you want to download any sort of applications in our mobile, we can download it from the Play Store, right? Suppose we have suppose we are using an Apple mobile. There we don't have a Play Store. We have another thing, right? From there we are going to download the applications. So that operating system will have that type of applications, and Windows operating system will have Windows sort of applications, and respective to the required operating system, they have a different types of applications. Okay, we can use them on our basic, I mean, daily useful, daily manual. Okay. Right. So these application softwares are like, yeah, Word, Excel, different editors and games, etc. Okay, and Python, Java, C, CPP, Oracle, etc., etc. Also, we are going to use on based on the application softwares. And next, the system softwares also it will contain. So what are those means? The system softwares are nothing but like I mean operating system only, right? Operating systems. These are the system or software systems. Okay. So we have different types of operating systems. I mean, system software like low-level language operating systems and high-level language operating systems, right? So low-level language operating systems are nothing but which will use only machine understandable language. Like, example, I want to tell you one thing. Our computer will understand. I mean, our system will understand what type of data